Good morning, one and all. Today, I am here with a new video, how to structure or arrange an IGNOU assignment. First of all, let us have a look at the structure of an IGNOU assignment. In a basic structure of an IGNOU assignment, there will be four parts: evaluation sheet, personal data sheet, question paper, answer script. This is the basic structure of an IGNOU assignment. Here, first we have to attach evaluation sheet, then personal data sheet, then question paper, last answer script. This is the order that we have to follow while preparing an IGNOU assignment. Now let us have a detailed discussion on how to arrange or how to prepare an IGNOU assignment. What are the things that we have to remember while preparing an assignment? So have a look at the step-by-step guidance. Step number 1. Download prescribed question paper from the IGNOU official website. This is the most important thing that you have to remember while preparing an IGNOU assignment. You can also download the question paper from third-party websites, but make sure the question paper is prescribed for you or not. Download and use only the question paper which is prescribed for your registered session. The link for the same has been given in the description box. The step number 2. Prepare the assignment with the help of IGNOU study materials and other reliable sources. Do not stick only to the IGNOU study materials. You can also have support from other various sources like reliable websites and books. Google Scholar and Google Books are also can be helpful in preparing your assignment. Google Scholar is a reliable and useful search engine, just like Google Search, where you can download research papers, research articles, and project reports on various topics. Step number 3. Write the assignments on handwriting. Typed and printed copies do not accept. This is very important to write assignments on handwriting. Printed or typed copies do not accept. The study center doesn't accept printed or typed assignments. Therefore, again you have to submit the same. Step number 4. Attach the evaluation sheet. As a fourth step, you have to attach an evaluation sheet. The link for the evaluation sheet, the link for downloading the evaluation sheet has given in the description box. Here you have to attach 2 copies of the evaluation sheet. It is very important that fill all information with more attention and care, because your awarded marks for the assignment upload into IGNOU website by using this information. Therefore, write your enrollment number, program code, and course code with more care. Step number 5. Before that, I will show you the evaluation sheet here. Here you have to fill enrollment number, program code, then student's name, course code. Like, these are the most important information that you have to give in evaluation sheet. Step number 5. Attach a personal data sheet. Personal data sheet also is an important one. The link for downloading the same has been given in the description box. This is an MS Word file, or this is an MS Word format. Therefore, you can edit and add the name of your study center and regional center where you submit your assignment. Like the evaluation sheet, the personal data sheet is also an important one, because if there is any mistake in your assignment, the study center can contact you by using the data you have given in the data sheet. So give accurate information like your name, email ID, and mobile number. Before we move to the sixth step. Let us have a look at the personal data sheet. Here you have to give the information like your address, email ID, mobile number, then course code, program code, enrollment number, and your name. Now, let us move to step number 6. Attach the question paper and your answer script. Whenever you download the question paper from the website, there will be 2 pages of instructions as well. Here, you no need to attach those instructions with the assignment. That is only for the students to read and understand before preparing the assignment. So let us move to step number 7. Submit the assignment based on the instruction given by the assistant coordinator from the study center. For each course, there will be an in-charge assistant coordinator. Contact those concerned coordinators from your study center. Based on their instruction, you can submit your assignment. These are the 7 steps that you have to follow while preparing an IGNOU assignment. Today, let us stop here. We wish you a very good day. Have a nice day.